Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a recent trade that we planned and executed in Pidilite Industries. It was a long trade. There was a demand zone identified by the supply demand zone indicator, which was around 2540 levels. So I waited for price to retrace back to the demand zone to enter the long trade. So I waited for price to come back to the demand zone, and I got my entry on this candle when price came into demand, and it spent a couple of candles around the demand zone, and in the next few candles it has given me my target, which was around the opposing supply level. So I've exited slightly before the opposing supply. So if you see friends over here, with a very small risk, you could achieve an excellent reward to risk ratio. But out of so many stocks, why did I pick up only Pidilite Industries? What would be the exact entry point? Where to place stop loss? Where to exit at target? What would be the exact trade plan? To know more about that, friends, you can join our upcoming workshop where I'll be sharing with you exactly the same price action strategy, which is based on identifying institutional footprints. So just click on the link below and register for the upcoming workshop, and I will see you live.